Well, would you like some coffee with your ice? Starbucks is being sued for a whopping $5 million for allegedly misleading customers about the actual amount of liquid in its cold drinks. But will this lawsuit be put on ice? We'll try to find out next. Well, nobody likes to feel like they're getting cheated, correct? A woman from Chicago is now suing Starbucks for putting too much ice in its drinks. Her 24-ounce iced venti has only 14 ounces of coffee in it. Joining us now is attorney Andrew Stoltmann. Andrew, come on. You don't think she is standing, do you?
Kelly, I knew you wouldn't like this lawsuit, and I didn't file it, but it might be meritorious. I mean, look, we have consumer fraud protection laws for a reason, and if you're shortchanging people, even if you can call it a salami scheme where you're just cutting off a little bit each and every time, that's potentially actionable. So I don't hate this lawsuit as much as I know you do.
But Carol,
come on, Andrew. I mean, this is why Americans can't have nice things. Because instead of voting with your dollars and going somewhere else, or perhaps asking for no ice if it's an issue, we decide we're going to bring this to trial. We're going to have a lawsuit.
No.
This is absolutely outrageous.
But it's a slippery slope, though. Where do you draw the line? I mean, can McDonald's say we're going to sell you a juicy hamburger and in reality give you Spam? Could an auto manufacturing company say we're going to give you a V12, but then give you a V6?
No, we have to find out what Mike Santoli thinks.
Well, first of all, it's not clear to me that Starbucks has some really driving motivation to shortchange people on the liquid over the ice. Ice costs money, too. I think maybe it's a workflow thing that they probably prefer They probably prefer not to have to brew and chill more iced coffee. But
I never thought about the cost of ice.
Given the fact that Starbucks is willing to just bend over backwards and make your drink however you like, I'm not sure I see exactly what the pain and suffering is.
The only pain and suffering is when you get your name wrong on the cup, which I had a really big mess up with today.
Go ahead, Andrew.
Just don't advertise 24 ounces when you're giving people only 12. I mean, it's a pretty basic concept. And I know it's not a popular lawsuit. I know it reminds everybody of the McDonald's burnt coffee lawsuit.
Is a 24-ounce cup. You are getting a 24-ounce cup, which you can get with ice or without ice to your specifications.
Andrew, I think you just want this case. I think that's what's going on here.
No, look, I'm not involved with it. All I'm saying is we have so many companies that do indeed take advantage of customers, and if indeed Starbucks is doing this, there's at least a prima facie case that something might be amiss. And look, we'll find out in this lawsuit.
Kelly, legal reform. Legal reform.
Andrew, thank you. And I'm telling you, if anything comes of this lawsuit, that's Andrew Stoltmann there.